free promotion for the monster for around 5 people that will watch this video. Maybe even less, or maybe no one but me. But they deserve it. It's the best drink on the planet. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Uh, I mean, there is not much of you that are coming back because obviously no one is watching these videos, but I don't really care. I make them for myself. I don't want to go too long. First of all, if you are new, and I know you are new to the channel because there is no one old, leave a subscribe and like this video and follow me on my journey to become profitable day trader. So the last time I recorded the video, if I recall correctly, I was on the funded challenge phase 2 and I was back to where I start, like 100k, or while one trade in the minus side. I think it was something like this. Long story short, I lost that account last month. It was completely my fault. So if we, I will show you the results. But yeah, it was tough month for me, toughest month of this year so far. And May is not any better right now, but I hope it will get better from today, hopefully, but we'll see. Uh, Basically, what happened, I was, as you saw in the previous videos, I was like 2.5% away from passing that account, and I lost a couple of trades in a row. I got emotional, my psychology went down, and I was trading like idiot. And literally, I've had out of 11 trading days last month, I only won on one day. And the main problem there was is I was not enough patient. So basically, I would rush into the setup, and later in the day, uh, my setup would happen, and I could have taken a good trade on that day. Also, I did revenge trade on most days, like that was totally unnecessary, and I was just freaking out all over the charts. It was not nearly as good as March or February, and not as nearly as good for what I wanted it to be. So basically, I lost almost 10% in the April, and right now I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 losing days in a row. So I haven't won. I didn't have any winning day trading days, let's say, for last month and a half since 1st of April, literally. And it's so sad. It's not going good right now. I think I got my psychology back. The reason I didn't record videos is honestly because I thought if I can get away from the videos and recording them, I will get better and my psychology will fix itself. But it didn't happen. So I will right now show you the results from February and March and then April, so you can see what I'm talking about. So basically, let's just try January, but it was pretty much break-even day for month for me. Had some winners, some losers. It was literally break-even month. And then came February. I made almost 10% in February. Had a really great win rate. I can show you. So basically, let's see. Let's see. So my win rate in February was 70%, and I made almost 10%. So it was great. I only had one losing day. In reality, this was break-even day. Uh, in February, it was great month, and then came March. Again, another great month, back to back good months. I passed my first funded account, passed phase one there uh, on the second account, and started passing the second phase. I made over 11% on that month. It was the best month of my whole trading career so far. I think on the March that my win rate was a little bit lower. Yeah, 55%, but I took more trades. I also made some more profits. So yeah, I understand why it is like that, but I'm totally fine with like 55% win rate and like having 11% profit on that. That's actually great. If I can have around 60% consistent win rate, that would be awesome, honestly. And yeah, and then came April. I won this. I was halfway through the phase two and just started losing. I couldn't control myself. I was revenge trading, taking bad trades, trading when I shouldn't, and that resulted in me losing my confidence. And I don't have any more confidence in me. That's the main problem I'm facing right now. I don't trust myself anymore. I always find some reason that I should not take that trade when it's winning, and then I rush into a trade when it's stupid trade because I just want to take the trade. So this is the April, unfortunately, just one winning day. Uh, and then this is March. Uh, I'm currently down 3% on the March. I hope I can fix that and have a green month again right now. But basically, the also it's completely my fault for the April. But in last month, not concrete, not just April, May also, the price action is so trash. It's not moving. I will show you on the example of yesterday and the day before price action that I traded. Price action is just market open. It goes in one way really fast, and as soon as macro opens, it just starts consolidating until 10:45. And in my eyes, still it's too late for me to take any trades. So yeah, unfortunately, I can't capitalize on this price action. The main problem of this month was this day. Yeah, I lost the trade. I lost it really stupid. I forced it. So basically, as I said, main problem this month was for me having confidence. Honestly, I missed two or three setups that could have passed me first challenge at least, first phase on the challenge at least, and I didn't take them because I was scared. And then uh, after so many days not trading, like from the last month, day of April till the 15th of May, I didn't take any trades, and I decided that I want to just fasten up a little bit of process and risk 2% on my fundeds, and that was the stupidest idea I had, and that's also one big lesson that I learned, that I don't need to listen to anyone on TikTok. Yeah, if he's profitable, it doesn't mean that he's right for me. So that's the thing that didn't really sit quite with me, and that's probably why I didn't take few of those winning trades that I should have taken because I was scared of risking that much and losing it. And then I risked it on stupid trade and lost. And then I decided to get back to the recipe that got me through my first funded account and my first phase on the second funded account, and that is to risk 1% while I'm in profit and on break even, or and when I'm in drawdown, risk 0.5%. So yeah, that's the lesson that I learned. It was the hard way, unfortunately for me, but right now I know it. I'm still not ready to risk 2% on the funded account. because I'm not making any money from this still. So yeah, uh, it's not looking good really. As you can see here, I was up here on this year and now I'm down here. It's fine. I'm going through ups and downs like every other person. It just bothers me because I thought that I now get it. Now price action is really tricky and everything. So let's go in onto the charts. This was on Tuesday. I had bullish bias, especially for NQ, uh, because we have so many low resistance highs here. And on the market open, we swept this. We were inside of 4 hour fair value gap. We also had this new day opening gap right here. So I thought that would pull the price. I was like, okay, maybe not to the Asia high because it was high resistance high, but at least to new day opening gap, which was around here. Had bullish bias. I wanted to take the trade off of ES because it was the leading index. It was stronger. And basically what I decided to do is I saw, as you can see, market open. We had a strong bearish move, and basically we swept out for 1 hour low and London low. And on top of that, after we sweep this liquidity, we hit equilibrium of this 4 hour fair value gap. And I'm like, at least it will go and take the London high. And I didn't really wait for much of the 5 minute confirmation. I just saw this on 1 minute. Like I saw this reaction. It was okay. Inverse fair value gap, break of structure, everything is here. And I just entered off of this fair value gap. Later, I realized I could have maybe entered on this BPR. It would give me much better risk to reward, but it doesn't matter because I still lost. And as I said, macro opened and price action just started chopping. And then it was 10:38. It started going upwards. And we were around here consolidated, and I was like, okay, we are here at London high. We didn't take this high, we didn't take these highs. It's like it's 4 15-minute highs that are literally trend line liquidity, so easy to sweep. And I'm like, at least we are going to London high, and I will leave some runners for Asia high very optimistically. But I was like conscious about that it probably didn't wouldn't go there, but still. And after that, after this move, I put my stop loss under this underneath this low, and basically just went down without taking any of these highs. Stopped me out. I risked 0.5% lost, actually 0.3%. It's not that bad, but it's just unfortunate. And it was just the consolidation for the rest of the day. Yesterday, I didn't take any trades because, again, I had a bullish bias. This was market open. We stormed through everything on the market open until the macro open. We already took relative equal highs on 1 hour and dipped into this 4 hour fair value gap. Macro opens, we start consolidating. We have this insane move on 1 minute, sweeping the London high, and nothing is happening. And it just hit sitting right here. On the NQ, it was even worse. Like literally, look at this pure consolidation from 9:50 until 10:45, and it started moving then. Um, Basically, I was I wanted to see first of all this 5 minute fair value gap uh, filled. Also, we had this 15-minute fair value gap, and we had this 5 minute fair value gap, but I wasn't really liking that. Also, it was the 5 minute fair value gap in the discount, and it got disrespected, and that was like even the worst thing that could happen. That just ruined my confidence in the bias. I was like, we already took the London high, and there is no really much we can do. But basically, at 10:45 we hit this uh, 5 minute fair value gap, and we react off of it, disrespect this, break structure, disrespect this, and basically get the most beautiful entry ever. Put my stop loss here or even here. It doesn't really matter. Take my first partial, or even only take profit here, literally at 2.71 risk to reward, and it's flawless trade, zero drawdown trade. And it happened just so late in the day, and so much already happened in the market. So much liquidity was also taken. This fair value gap was holding. It was not looking good, and I just haven't didn't have any confidence and to take this trade. And I also see that so many traders are complaining about this New York sessions opens because it's just one way and then consolidation and you can get anything. So yeah, that's a brief recap of last 2 days, what happened, how I lost one trade, why I wasn't really active, and I'm going right now to upload this trade New York right now. Hopefully take good trade and win some profits back. And I'll see you later today again for another trade recap, or at least market recap. But I'm right now coming back and recording every day market recaps and trade recaps. So yeah, thank you for watching. As I already said, if you made it to this part, thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Leave a subscribe and follow me on my journey and see how I will get out of this drawdown and pass this funding and get my first payout. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you later.